Small Business Saturday was designed to give small business the attention and boost they need during the holiday season. Don't fall prey to competing with the big guys. You might be tempted to slash prices Black Friday style, but don't. Doorbusters might work for the major retailers, but that does not mean that your small business should do the same. We advise small businesses to stay away from Black Friday style deep discounts. Instead, remember that your market is coming to you for a different reason: to support local businesses. That doesn't mean you can't offer a special deal or a discount. Just be careful not to cut into your pricing so dramatically that you cut into your profits too. So, if you shouldn't compete with the big box stores, then what should you do? Again, Small Business Saturday is about celebrating small businesses, and you want to do something to stand out above your competitors. So here are some basic ideas for offers for Small Business Saturday. BOGO deals. Buy one, get one for people who are shopping with friends. Bundle high-priced products or services with lower-priced items into packages and offer them at a discounted rate. These packages make people think that they are getting more bang for their buck, and who doesn't like that? Free gift with purchase. Give a small denomination gift card with a purchase of a certain amount. People love gift cards, and 80% of those who use a gift card spend more than the value of the gift card when they come back to redeem it. Discount for signing up for a blog or newsletter or providing contact information. A person's contact information is the new currency in digital marketing, and people are more open to giving their email address or a cell phone number to a business they like. You can then remarket them for future promotions via email or SMS marketing. These are just a few ideas, and we encourage you to get creative with it and have some fun. Don't forget to stay tuned for more marketing tips to prepare you for the coming day. Also, check out our Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram pages for more information. Thanks for watching.